Today, I'm at Tiny Fest in California, and behind me is the Scandinavian from Cahill Works. What we're looking at here is 28 feet long. It's 8.5 feet wide for a total footprint of 238 square feet. I had a quick tour around, and I'll tell you right up front, this is the best smelling home I think I've ever been to because it's got cedar walls. So we're gonna start outside, then I'll head up these stairs and head inside, and finally we will get into the pricing. So let's have a look around. I had a brief chat with the folks from Cahill Works. They were just on their way out because the show technically hasn't opened yet, but they were nice enough to let me have a quick tour around. So tip of the cap for them. From what I understand, they are building somewhere between here, I'm currently in Costa Mesa, California, and Palm Springs, and they deliver throughout California and to different states as well. So coming around the back of the home, you can see up top, they've got the metal roof. This is into the bathroom. I believe this middle window is into the kitchen. And then down here, as the sun sets on Costa Mesa, this is likely into the bedroom. We're gonna go all the way around because you know what? We've got the space. So most of this exterior is white, but they do have the wood accent on this end, which looks great. They've got it in the door frame and they've got it in the other side as well. So up here, window into the bedroom. That pretty much rounds out, what's this all about? Get out of here. That pretty much rounds out the exterior of the Scandinavian. Let's head inside and get away from this drone. All right, they've got the full door on the full window on the exterior door here. Let's check it out. So as you head inside, the first thing, you're not gonna be able to get it on your end, but the very first thing is the smell of these walls. It's incredible. I love it. So the way they've got this home set up, the bedroom is on the end. Let's start there. So I mentioned they have the window on the end. They've got the window on the side here. Let's see. I believe these are just the, oh yeah, nice. You lift these with one finger. So if you want sunlight coming in, that's the way you're gonna do it. They've got the cedar on the ceiling as well. So every wall is cedar. And as far as the smell goes, it's a 10 out of 10 from me. They've got a pocket door in here, I just noticed. So let's check that out. Feels very solid. It's quite heavy. I like it. Now, let's head back into the living space and then we will move into the kitchen. So they've got a nice corner couch in here. And if you want to learn more about exactly what they're building with and how, pause it right here because they've got this infographic right conveniently on the wall. So there you have it. From this side looking down, if I was to place a TV in here, you know, this is probably something that's going to be out by a lake somewhere or wherever. You don't need a TV, but if I were to do it, maybe I would put it right there in place of that infographic. So something that's really cool about this specific tiny home from Cahill Works is they've got the built-in fire sprinklers. So let's say you have a fire in the tiny home. This pops down and sprays water, hopefully putting out the fire. That's the idea. Let's move into the kitchen. One of the things they've got here is open shelving up top, which is staged. Dang, that is staged very nicely. They've got kind of a peach backsplash in here. I just noticed that right now. And you know what? I like that. I like it. They've got kind of matching hardware in here as well. I mean, it's not peach hardware, but it's more of a brass. Down below, they've got a full shelf there. This bank of drawers has 5 drawers. Look at that. Nice wide sink here with 2 separate areas. So you wash here, you can have them over there to dry. Down below, I'm gonna guess, yep, it's the typical under the sink storage. They've got the butcher block counter all the way across, window behind the sink, and on this side, they've got the 2-burner cooktop. Now, moving up, 3 more open shelves, or let's call it 2, beside this cabinet that has the venting going out, but they've still left it open on either side for whatever you might want to store in that space. They've got the pots and pans drawers over here. So instead of 5, they've got 3 with 2 larger drawers for your storing pleasure. And on the right-hand side below the cooktop, they've got 3 shelves right there. Across, we have got the fridge right here, has storage up above, and you'll notice the mini split up there for the heating and the cooling, a very important part of any home. Okay, now let's check out the bathroom. I got to figure out where the light is, so bear with me as I enter in here. This is my first time in the bathroom. We've got the toilet down to the left, window up above beside the vanity with the mirror that appears like it's going to be backlit. I like that. Look at that. Look at how good that looks against the wood. All right. On this side, shower stall with the rainfall head, and there's that window that we saw from the outside. You'll notice that the interior ceiling is sloping from back to front. Not sure on the height of the ceiling on the high side, but it feels quite spacious. They've got some storage up there, and yes, nobody panic. They have got a washer and a dryer in a 238 square foot home. These people get it. They get that people want to be able to wash their clothes. I see it in the comments, and they have got it handled here in the Scandinavian from Cahill Works. Let's take one more quick cruise from the front to the back, check it out, just see how it flows, and then I will head outside and we will talk about the pricing. Bedroom down there, boom. Kitchen over here. All right, let's get to it. Back by popular demand, here's a look at the floor plan, which is always the perfect time to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need more time with the plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Scandinavian from Cahill Works. Again, 8.5 feet wide by 28 feet long for a total footprint of 238 square feet. As far as pricing goes, this home starts at $128,000. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here today at Tiny Fest. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.